the last question is really about how we measure all of this. Is it working, right? And that's kind of the last piece of the culture stack, which is as people are engaging with each other, as they're launching, great work, as they're celebrating one another, how do they feel about actually being a participant in your organization? So the way that we enable this is, once again, via those same workflows. So if we jump in here and we create a flow, we've got a template where you can actually do employee satisfaction survey. So over the course of their tenure, they'll be able to answer these set of questions either on a scheduled basis or on a one-off. It might be once a year, it might be once a quarter, maybe even once a month. And then you define basically what questions matter to you about your employee experience, about your culture. And then you can use that to measure basically how meaningful do your teammates think that their work is, how challenging do they think that their work is, a typical week, how often are they feeling stressed, how well paid are you, how well compensated, opinions of your coworkers, how much do your opinions matter to your coworkers, how realistic are the expectations of your supervisor, how often do the tasks assigned to your supervisor help you grow professionally, do you have opportunities to get promoted, are you supervised, how much, right? That idea of micromanagement versus laissez-faire management, perhaps. How satisfied are you with your benefits? How satisfied are you with your job? How proud of you of the brand of your organization? And how much do you like your employer? How much do you like working there? So we offer that as well as an engagement survey that asks very similar questions about your relationship to your organization via scale blocks. So part of using these scales is that they provide you an opportunity to look at how your people are changing in terms of their engagement over time, how they relate to your organization, how different changes in policy, different changes in culture, different changes in size, different changes in program have actually changed their answers to these questions as you've gone and responded to the insights that you're deriving from them. So once we've said we want to track this stuff, we can actually jump in, use this template, and once again, we can go and customize it to our liking. So we're going to run this on demand. And once we're looking for responses, we'll run the flow. We're asking questions here that you can go and control. You can change the labels. You can add additional questions. And once you've done that, we'll save the flow, share it. We'll have our participants be the entire organization. Viewers will be perhaps just our C-level management and our human resources department. And from there, as people come in and answer the flow, they'll be able to go and select their job role, select their function, and answer all of these questions that you've set up for them for you to track how your culture stack is actually performing.